What do you take away from earnings? The yay you beat, or yay we're growing? Have we troughed? Like, what's your biggest takeaway so far?
Well, certainly investors were really concerned about an earnings recession, so the fact that we're beating is good. But we're seeing a lot of divergence too. So as we see, as companies do a little better than was expected, they're getting rewarded for that. Companies that are missing or are just hitting ad expectations getting punished. So we think that we're going to see a lot more divergence heading into the fall.
What's the sort of the narrative here? Because there's a lot of sort of jokes over the last couple of days. Are we looking for profit, or are we looking for that revenue growth? For the last couple of quarters prior to this was all about revenue growth. Now people seem to be much more focused on those bottom line profits.
It's a little bit of everything, right? So you're absolutely right. Revenue growth is something that we always want, but discipline around the expense control is really important too, especially against a backdrop where it's a little cloudy where that uptick in earnings is going to come from. But there are lots of paths to prosperity here. So we've seen some companies that are seeing better demand from the consumer side, for example, and that's being rewarded. We're seeing other companies that have had that cost discipline, and then we see other companies that have really idiosyncratic things going on. So I think it is a mixed bag.